What would it be? Wait a second, hold it. Life wouldn't be complete with an Irish song. How are things in Glockamora? What play is that from? What movie play? 5 seconds. Extra credit time. Can you know the name of the play?
No.
Oh, Macbeth. There we go. Macbeth. Absolutely not. The guy says Macbeth, and he's like, yes. Yeah, how are things in Glockamora? Macbeth. Yeah, right. And he's singing. I can see William Shakespeare singing.
Wait, sir, Darby O'Gill?
No. Darby O'Gill and the Little People. How are things in Glockamora? Finian's Rainbow. Finian's Rainbow.
I actually thought I was right.
Macbeth. I'll tell you. If you ever saw him, he looks nothing like Irish. I mean, he looks nothing, maybe Southern Ireland, I think. Yeah, he doesn't look Irish at all. Where are you from?
India.
We're in India.
Delhi.
Delhi. He's from Delhi. He doesn't look Irish at all. Maybe Southern Ireland, maybe Cork. Okay, so let's finish this on a free fall problem. Okay, a free fall problem. And it has to do with King Kong, okay? And that's a terrible picture of the Empire State Building. Okay? That is a terrible picture. But anyway, so Fay Ray, she drops her shoe. If they ever knew if this problem really knew the shape of the Empire State Building, you can't just drop something straight down, okay? Because it would hit here, okay? So, but what they're saying is, they're saying, let's pretend you can, okay? So, what they're saying is, here's the ground here, and she drops her shoe down to there. Now it says, I'll read the problem. King Kong carries Fay Ray. You know who Fay Ray was?
Yeah,
You ever see the King Kong from the 1930s?
I saw it like once, I think.
Yeah, that's Fay Ray. She was an actress from the 1930s. King Kong carries Fay Ray up the 321-meter tall Empire State Building. At the top of the skyscraper, Fay Ray's shoe falls from her foot. How fast will the shoe be moving when it hits the ground? All right, so we know that it's going to be distance, correct? We know it's going to be distance. Yes? Okay. Now, did you put those three equations down? Did you list those three equations that I put on the board last week? Is there one that looks at final velocity, initial velocity, distance, and acceleration?
Yes.
Which is what?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Plus 2a delta d.
Correct?
Yeah.
What's A? Let me rewrite this equation.
A G.
Right? Get it? A is G, right?
Yeah.
And what's G going to be?
10.
10 meters per second squared, correct?
Yeah.
So it's going to be, do you see that the initial velocity is 0?
Yeah.
So that drops out, correct? So it ends up to be 2GD.
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yes.
So that's going to be
2 times 10
Into 3
times
2 times 10 times.
into
321.
321.
That's it.
Yeah.
What is it? What's the answer?
Radical 6,420.
What is it?
Radical.
What's the answer?
6,400.
Yeah, radical.
Yeah, radical.
80.1. Or radical 6,420.
Right. Right. What is 2 times 10 times 321?
6,420.
Okay, but don't you see that you have to take the square root of that?
Yeah, but
Yes,
like,
square root.
80.1.
you can keep it like this or that.
No, but no, you don't leave things in radical form.
80.1.
80.1.
Uh-huh.
You're leaving it in radical form. You can't leave it in radical form. Okay? Understood?
They're both squared. No, that's not. No.
Are we done?
Yes.
Hey! See you on Wednesday. Be careful out there. Excellent.